Go.
Hi, today we're LaGuardia Community College students, and today we're going to be talking about
how to create a persuasive speech.
From chapter 16 of a public speaking book in class HUC 106, 1243 of Miss Potten's class.
the nature of a persuasive speech. First, your goal is to have an effect on your audience members' beliefs, attitudes, and actions. Secondly, you want to strengthen your audience commitment. If your audience already agrees with your perspective, you have to strengthen their commitment. Third, you will weaken your audience commitment. If many of your audience members disagree with your issue, you try to attempt to commit to your viewpoint. And lastly, you have to advocate. Call your audience to action.
You also need to tailor your message to your audience, which is appeal to the audience needs, which is basically focus on their needs, connect with their values. These values are something that the audience keeps to them, dragged along for ages, so it's hard to change their values, so you have to focus on the values. You have to demonstrate how it benefits the audience, what they are getting out of the speech, acknowledge listeners' reservations, which is in the beginning they may oppose or they may be neutral to your message, and focus on the peripheral beliefs. And there are two types of beliefs, which is the core belief, which is something that you can't really change, is immune to persuasive speeches, and the peripheral beliefs. Also, you should really focus on Maslow's hierarchy of needs, which is first is the psychological needs, then comes safety needs, social needs, self-esteem needs, self-actualization needs. These are needs that you are going to have to keep in mind when creating your speech.
You also want to organize your persuasive speech. You want to organize your fact claims, and you want to use patterns that actually are causal, comparison, and categorical. The difference between what is true and false are your fact claims, by the way. And, causal claims argue one thing is caused by another. Comparison is claiming two situations are similar or different. Categorical are the main points reflecting fact claims are different according to your belief. Organizing your value claims also. Attach judgment to your subject and try to get the audience to agree with the evaluation. Organizing patterns, criteria, application, and categorical can come in handy with this. So basically after that, you also want to organize policy claims, which is taking a call to action. You give a call to action. And then you can use organizational patterns, motivated, and problem caused. Motivated goes through people's stages of thinking. So it's basically their attention, their needs, satisfaction, visualization, and action. The problem, cause, solution pattern is basically the problem, cause, and solution. So last and not least, you also want to use the comparative advantage, which is basically the solution and the advantage. So it's why it is more beneficial than existing policies. Thank you.